Hello guys, so in this video we talk about what is drainage and what is drainage patterns actually. So in this video we also talk about type of drainage patterns and how drainage pattern is important for human beings. What is drainage? So the flow of water through well defined channels like river and stream is known as drainage. And what is drainage patterns? So over time a stream system achieve a particular drainage pattern to its network of stream and tributaries, that is known as drainage patterns. You can say that a network of river or streams channels is known as drainage patterns. See here, this is the river Ganga and this is the river Yamuna. Bhagirathi, Mandakini and Alaknanda is the tributaries of river Ganga. So these all drainage are making drainage patterns with the combines of Bhagirathi, Mandakini, Alaknanda and Ganga. So these drainage system is made in millions of years by the weathering and erosion of the surrounding strata. Introductions. The drainage system depend upon factors such as slope of land, local topography, subsurface geology, geological structures, amount of volume of water and velocity of water. Drainage pattern is a pattern created by stream erosion and weathering over time that reveals characteristic of the kind of rocks and geologic structures that found in the region. Drainage pattern is the pattern formed by streams, rivers and lakes in a particular drainage basins. So drainage of any area is depend upon slope of land and topography and geological structures of that area and velocity of water. So these drainage pattern is actually created by the weathering and erosion of streams in different terrains like granite, gneiss, sedimentary rocks and other rocks. So drainage pattern is actually very important for terrain analysis and for geological interpretations. Drainage pattern is also very important for mineral explorations. Geologists can find various geological structures with the help of drainage pattern study. So here is the type of drainage patterns: dendritic drainage patterns, trellis, rectangular, parallel and radial. Apart from this, there are some others drainage patterns like centripetal drainage patterns and annual drainage patterns. So this is the dendritic drainage patterns. So dendritic drainage patterns develop in area where the rock beneath the stream has no particular fabric or structures and can be eroded easily in all directions. See here, this is the dendritic drainage patterns which looks like a tree. So this type of drainage pattern is actually developed in hard rock terrains like granite and gneiss, where the erosion and weathering is least. So the stream is actually flowing all directions because of the less erosion and weatherings. Trellis drainage patterns. So trellis drainage patterns typically developed where sedimentary rocks have been folded or tilted and then eroded to varying degree depending on their strength. So this type of drainage pattern is actually developed in sedimentary rocks. The drainage is developed in a folded and faulted area. Rectangular drainage patterns. So in rectangular patterns, the main streams and their tributaries displaced many right angle bands. It developed in areas that prominent fault or joint planes that break the rocks into rectangular blocks. So as you can see, this is the streams which is making a rectangular shapes due to the fault planes and joint planes. So actually this type of drainage pattern is following the joint and fault planes. Parallel drainage patterns. So parallel drainage systems is a pattern of rivers caused by steep slopes with some relief. Because of the steep slopes, the streams are swift and straight with very few tributaries and all flows are in the same directions. So this type of drainage is developed in steep slopes area, and because of the steep slopes the streams are very fast actually and swift in a straight direction. As you can see, these all are the straight streams. Radial drainage patterns. So in radial drainage system, the streams radiate outwards from a central high points. Volcanoes usually display excellent radial drainage. Other geological features on which radial drainage commonly develops are domes and locolith. As you can see, this is the central points. and from here the streams is flowing outwards. So this is the actually volcanoes. And apart from this, the radial drainage pattern is also developed in dome and localith areas. Other type of drainage patterns, so these are some other type of drainage patterns. So the centripetal drainage system is similar to the radial drainage systems, with the only exception that radial drainage flows out versus centripetal drainage flows in. So as you read in previous slide, that radial drainage pattern is actually flows from a center point to outwards, while in centripetal drainage patterns the streams is actually flowing in. So you can say that this is the basin actually, and these streams are actually flowing towards the inner side. So annular drainage patterns forms where bedrock joints and faults intersect at more acute angles. Then rectangular drainage patterns, angles are both more and less than 90 degrees. So annular drainage is actually rectangular drainage patterns, but here the joints planes and false planes have the angle actually less than 90 degrees and above 90 degrees also. Drainage patterns are also classified based on the shape and formation of river patterns. So broadly it is classified into two types: discordant drainage patterns and concordant drainage patterns. So discordant drainage patterns have antecedent drainage, superimposed drainage, and concordant drainage patterns have consequent drainage patterns and subsequent drainage patterns. So you can read these types also from any books, or you can search it in internet. Main drainage systems of India, so Himalayan drainage systems and peninsular drainage systems. So Indus river systems, Ganga river systems, and Brahmaputra river system is Himalayan drainage systems, while Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna is the peninsular drainage systems. If you have any query related to drainage patterns, you can message in comment box.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.